Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap for Friday, March 13th, 2026. We're covering key market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, cryptocurrency, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed down today. The S&P 500 index ended at 6,631.88, a drop of 40.73 points. It has faced strong downward volatility the past 4 sessions. The Dow 30 index closed at 46,558.46, losing 119.40 points amid a significant negative trend. Market breadth was mixed with more declines than advances across key indices. The S&P 500 index saw 240 decliners versus 250 advancers today. For the Nasdaq Composite Index, there were 1,843 declines, outpacing 1,064 advances. Focusing on returns, the S&P 400 MidCap Index saw a mild upward trend year-to-date with a 1.08% total return. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index faces a year-to-date loss. All indices, however, reported consistent losses during the week-to-date and month-to-date sessions. Among sectors, utilities performed strongly, closing at 474.37, up 0.93%. The energy sector hit a new all-time high, gaining 0.41% for a close at 881.60. While consumer defensive showed a positive movement today, real estate and financial services demonstrated mixed trends. In the worst-performing sectors, technology led the decline at 5,302.9, shedding 1.2% today. Basic materials and communication services followed suit with each down nearly 1%. Consumer cyclical and industrial sectors showed strong negative trends compounded by ongoing volatility. Internationally, South Korea's iShares ETF climbed 0.52% to 124.15. Malaysia and China ETFs showed an upward breakout after a period of sideways movement. Israel posted a less favorable mixed trend, closing slightly higher at 117.92. Total and daily returns highlight South Korea's ETF with a strong year-to-date surge of 27.7%. Taiwan's ETF also performed well with a 10.17% gain for the year. In contrast, China's ETF registered a year-to-date loss amidst a negative trend. In the tech sector, Apple ended at 250.12, falling by 5.64, marking its third consecutive day down with a strong negative trend in downward volatility. Alphabet closed at 301.46, shedding 1.75, also on a 2-day decline with a mixed negative trend. Amazon settled at 207.67, dropping by 1.86, similarly recording a strong negative trend for 3 consecutive down days. Meta Platforms fell sharply by 24.47 to 613.71, driven by very strong downward volatility and an intense negative trend. Lastly, Nvidia closed 2.89 lower at 180.25, breaking out of sideways movement into a strong negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 71,307.34, climbing by 775.78 today, with strong upward volatility. Ethereum follows with a rise to 2,110.39, gaining 36.39 and demonstrating vibrant market activity. BNB is up to 657.20, bolstered by 5.56. Meanwhile, Solana makes waves, up by 2.12 to 88.96. Lastly, Dogecoin advances a fraction at 0.0964. Despite short-term gains, Bitcoin lags year-to-date with an 18.5% fall. Ethereum is even lower, down 28.9% in the same period. Weekly, all top cryptos show gains. Solana leads up 9%, while BNB has improved 7.4%. Dogecoin posts a modest 2.5% rise month to date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently gaining against major currencies, highlighting strong upward trends. Against the euro, it is at 0.8758, up by 0.0075, while against the British pound, it rose to 0.7562, with a substantial climb of 0.93%. The Japanese yen sees the dollar at 159.7150, heading towards a one-year high with a very strong trend. The greenback shows strong upward volatility across board, including the Swiss franc at 0.7915 and the Australian dollar at 1.4318, both experiencing price upturns.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI host Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.